Hi guys, today's hike is Barr Trail to Barr Camp. This is approximately about 12 miles out and back. This is a hard hike. Elevation is about 10,200 feet. There is snow in the ground, but lots of sun today. It's about 45 degrees right now. But I'm sure as we go high up in elevation, there will be a lot of snow. So we are expecting us to be a lot slower than usual. On our first 2 miles, Mama Gloria is here with us. She is planning to hike all the way to the top of Manitou Incline and she will head back down. And the rest of us, Irene, Jonas, and I will continue to Barr Camp. And hopefully the trail will be clear enough, not much snow, so we can continue, but we will assess once we get up there. But it is a beautiful day to hike, so come on, follow us. How does it feel?
I'm actually pretty good. The initial incline was hard. As soon as you get past 4 miles, I'm breathing normally. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
Push. The last mile is hard because snow is deep. Look, my shoes struggling to push through the snow, and then I'm already exhausted, but almost there to the bar camp. Very low in energy because I didn't want to eat my lunch box. I want to wait till we get to bar camp and sit down and eat. Dang. How's the breathing?
Good.
Good. Jonas like whatever. Oh, bench. Sit. Oh, there is Pikes Peak. Ow, my back hurts. Dang, my age is feeling it right now.
I can't do it anymore, huh?
Guys,
Easy. Huh?
guys, 0.2 miles left. 0.2. Come on. 0.2.
Let's go.
Come on. Push it. I know. It hurts.
My shoes is red.
Is it? Mine too. Oh, dang. Alright guys, update. We're almost there to bar camp. Look, I can see it. 6 miles! Woohoo! There it is. I can see it, guys. Come on. Welcome to my log cabin. Come on guys, let's take a quick tour inside Bar Camp cabin.